The very instrument that heliocentrists will use to tell you that the Earth is rotating has actually turned to damning evidence that it is not rotating. The Foucault pendulum. Aside from the already damning evidence that Maurice Elias showed that during solar eclipses, the rotation of the pendulum would shift, there is one other fail-safe proof that showed conclusively that the pendulum cannot possibly be determining a rotating Earth. It has to do with the duration of one complete cycle of rotation at the North and South poles. It is not a perfect 24 hours. Instead, it's 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. The sidereal day. This shows without a doubt that the pendulum is being affected by the celestial sphere. And within the correct form of the Earth and universe, we have a literal, tangible celestial sphere above our heads inside the Earth that is rotating at this exact speed. At the South Pole, the pendulum will turn counterclockwise, the opposite of looking up at the stars from that vantage point. So instead, you're looking down at the dial. It will perfectly sync up with the celestial sphere, making one complete cycle every sidereal day. South of the equator, say at 30 degrees south, it will rotate counterclockwise, slower than the sidereal day. The rate will be the sine of the latitude times one sidereal day. At the equator, the pendulum will not rotate whatsoever. This is because behind the celestial sphere there is a magnetically levitating octahedron with 4 base corners that project into the oceans at 90 degrees to each other to form the equatorial equilibrium points. Going north, say at 30 degrees, we have the exact velocity of the southern conjugate at 30 degrees, only it will spin clockwise, as will all pendulums north of the equator. Then at the North Pole, the pendulum will again match its southern conjugate velocity with a perfect synchronization of the 23-hour, 56-minute, 4-second sidereal day. Mystery as to what is the pendulum rotating around, and the reason why this velocity is that of the stars and not the Earth is now solved. The philosophical and physics problem and impossibility of the pendulum knowing something about the entire universe is easily solved with the correct model of the universe, and with the effect of an etheric or electromagnetic force affecting the pendulum within the stationary concave Earth. Sorry, Earth spinning retard. You're 236 seconds too late.